Ever wondered how your car smoothly changes gears without stalling? The secret lies in the clutch system. Let's break it down simply and clearly. The clutch is a mechanical device that connects and disconnects engine power from the transmission. It allows the driver to change gears, stop the car without turning off the engine, and control power delivery smoothly. Let's look at the main components of a clutch system. The flywheel is bolted to the engine crankshaft. It provides a smooth friction surface and stores rotational energy. Clutch disc. Located between the flywheel and pressure plate, the clutch disc transfers engine power to the transmission. The pressure plate presses the clutch disc firmly against the flywheel to transmit power. This bearing allows the pressure plate to release the clutch disc when the pedal is pressed. The clutch pedal controls the system mechanically or hydraulically. Visual. Each component highlighted individually with labels. When you press the clutch pedal, engine power is disconnected. When you release it, power flows smoothly to the transmission, allowing controlled acceleration. That's how the clutch system works. Like and subscribe to the Automotive. Understand the car, not just the noise.